Hello YouTube, back again with another video. Tool haul. Got a couple items this week. Just at work. I haven't did a tour of this box, so soon video soon. Needed some impact SAEs from Cornwell. Got the set of 3/8, 5/16 to 1 inch. Both sets, I believe. They had the deal. You get the impacts, get the chromes free, and then you also get a tray free. Tray's on its way, so he didn't have one in the truck. Chrome impact socket part numbers is BB2 and it's CB2L. We want to open one of these up so you guys can see, and then the part numbers right here. That one is this one. The part numbers. Looking for some good sockets for this month. You have a Cornwell deal. Step on that deal. The deal, I believe, is you get the impacts, you get the chromes free, and the tray for $165, which is not a bad deal. I'll probably just open one. The deeps. 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, and 1 inch, which is not that common that they give you 1 inch. So that's pretty cool. Like 1 inch and 3 stripe impact, and the short's basically the same thing, just short. My price was these Pyrax here. I already had that one, but I needed more to do this Pyrax drawer I want to do. For 10 bucks, they work for us. Still need to organize more. I'll probably be in a big toolbox tour when it's fully organized. But there's that. That's what I got from Cornwell. Got some more bigger wrench extenders. I have a small wrench extender. These are the part numbers. WE7451. And for the big one, this could do like a 2 inch wrench, and it's a 3/4 end. And on this one here, it's a 1/2 inch end. This part number for this bad boy is WE7452. So the idea of this is basically like how it's on the Illustrated right there. You could double put a wrench in there. I know you could double wrench, but sometimes that stuff is kind of iffy and it always might slip on you. So I had the small version. Now this is a medium, this is the big. So I've got all of them now. And then here's the this is a new my Milwaukee grease guns out of commission. The game warranty stripped out right here. This one, I thought this would take care of the Milwaukee till I get that one fixed. Keeps getting air in the tube. It's not working for me. I always have to purge it out every time I use the tube halfway. It gets air. So then I went to Harbor Freight to go get the Hope automatic grease gun, which is right here. It's pretty cool. This is a holder, the grease gun, and it pumps pretty good. I'll do a separate video of it pumping. Here's that whole grease gun, air grease gun. Hook it up. I already purged it out. Took all the air in the cartridge. Got air. I like the holder a lot, actually. Cap, I'm not sure. I have it still here. I might take it off later on. Just grease some slack adjusters here. Grease it pretty good. Haven't had any trouble with it. The only initial trouble was first starting it. Like how it's held, like a place where you could hang it, which is neat. Just hanging it right here, right there. Pretty neat. Yeah. This gun, I think it was $69.99. Here's that part number there. Nothing just special. It's an air grease gun. The warranty for this, extended warranty, is $13.99 for a year, so I might as well got it. So yeah, there's more information about it if you want to read that. That one, and then next to all this, they had for that price $69.99 for the Chief air grinder, which was a good deal. This is $100 air grinder, $100. Only thing is some wrote like their initials or something. I don't know what the hell they wrote. But I tried it already. Worked. Film it. I'll make sure I film it for you guys. And then on this Chief air grinder, here are the, it also comes with the, it came with everything, nothing was missing, so came with that, and comes with the little spacers if you want to put a cutoff wheel. And then, but that's a killer deal, $69.99. You have 5 days. When stuff like that, you just have like 3 to 5 days to make sure it works, and if you don't like it, you have that 3 to 5 days to return and get your full refund. After that, shit, you might not get it, so you might need to do it quick. I already checked it out, so it works. That's all I got.